Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am going to be cash stuffing for June the 12th, paycheck 1, and this is our first paycheck for this June. So rent does not get stuffed, but rent is going up. Did I take it out? Yeah, I think rent was already taken out. Yeah, so let me take this out. I gotta add, I think it's $6.50. I gotta go and ask them how much is the rent, because we are going to month, which is going to be more. But if when we find a house that we like, we'll be able to go with giving very little notice. So that's the only reason we're doing that. Phone is not paid this month. Internet is not paid this month. Natural gas is not paid this month. Electric is not paid this month. Car insurance is not paid this month. Amazon, we pay yearly, so we are going to be paying $12 to Amazon, so that's 50, 60. So I am going to put 12, and we have been like spending like online shopping quite a bit. You find, I mean, if you, in the summer we spend money usually, and we're just trying to make sure we don't overdo it. Toll went out, so I need to have another 612. It could be coming out again, because that went out on 5/18. I wrote that there. So 70 is, it hasn't went out again. We haven't been trying to take a bunch of tolls like when we have to. Been kind of mindful. And this way. Car wash isn't paid. Kavana's not paid. Subscription, I think I'm a little low on subscriptions. Yeah, because my big subscription, it came out, so 12. What's I had, 75? I don't know if I think it. I think it's 64. 75 minus, yeah, 64. I'm not even gonna put cash in that. I know. Gas, we went up in gas. Gas is now minus 97. We just been all over the place, back and forth. You know, it's just. So we're gonna put 300. I'm gonna try to hopefully not go into negative. That's gonna be, we might have to add some more money there. And grocery, same thing. Grocery, I've been cooking extra for my daughter's family, so that is negative 612. That's 208. I'm hoping we can get a handle on that. Amelia's college fund. Well, I should say my grandkids' college fund is 35. What is that? 612. 525 plus 35 equals 560. And we also, my husband bought Amelia an iPad, out of his money. And I said, no, don't do it out of your money. And I added it to the bills. So he wouldn't have to do all that from his funds. So let me just, the red binder is the Discover binder. I mean, not the Discover, the bill binder, the debt binder. So we have not been paying extra on debt. We've been focused on other things. I will be, but it's really not bothering me, really. To be honest, it should bother me, but they're going to get their money. So I never really, they're going to get their money, and I would like to pay it off because of the interest, but you can only do what you can do. And I'm, you know, life is good, and I'm not worried too much about it. I will be as soon as we get where we want to be. 6, 12. Then I will concentrate more on paying this off. I'm just scared to need money for something and not have any savings. So yeah, I know people say, well, your savings isn't doing you any good when you're paying all this interest. But I like the peace of mind to know that if something happened, we got savings. So, Honey's, whose car is this? Honey's car, I don't even write it down because it goes 206 every 2 weeks like clockwork. And this is automatic payment too. But I have to keep track of how many times I pay. Because not the same thing is pulled out. 72. My cars could be coming to be paid soon. I gotta look that up. Okay, so that is everything for the paycheck, fixed expenses, savings, debt, and variable expenses. The next video I am going to do is going to be the savings binder, the mini saving challenges, and those things. Okay, so if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.